Namaste students. Today we are going to learn one of the writing competencies, notice writing. Can you say what is a notice? A notice is a formal means of communication. It is also last class we learned letter writing. It also communication. Here notice, it is a formal means of communication. The purpose of the notice is to announce or display information to specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up to specific display boards in schools or in public places. Notice writing. Notice, it is generally meant to pinned up on specific display board. All the schools have notice board. There some information to the students. It is in public place also we can display. Today shall we see how we can prepare a notice. So, what is a notice? Already I told notice is a written or printed announcement. What is a notice? Notice is a written or printed announcement. They are put up on display boards in schools or public places. Usually it is pasted or displayed on the boards in schools or public places. Then why do we need notice? What is the need of notice? It is written in order to inform a large number of people about something that has happened or is about to happen. It is the specific piece of information we want to inform a specific group of a large number of people that has happened or is about to happen. It could be just a piece of information to be delivered to the targeted audience. Okay. Now we can see how it could be, how we can prepare notice. For what purposes we are writing notice. For example, if there is a competition in the school, then school people leader can display that information on the notice board. A competition, an excursion trip, a lost and found notice. Likewise, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition, a blood donation camp, or any event or information issued in public interest. How should be the language? Notice are factual and to the point. No need of using the decorative language. Formal language only we want to, because it is factual and we should write to the point. The language should be simple and formal. Our language should be simple as well as formal, not flowery. Flowery means decorative language. They are put up to display board in the schools or at public places, because all the audience wants to understand what it is means. So only language should be simple and formal. It is generally written in a formal tone. Personal pronouns shouldn't be used. There you should not be used personal pronouns. What should it contain? See, for your exam it is 5-mark question. What are the things you should remember that I say? First, name of the issuing agency. For example, you are going to write, display the notice in the school notice board. So, who is the issuing agency? Our school. You should write Vivekananda Metric Higher Secondary School. Before that, you should write notice. You are going to write the notice. So, in block letter, capital letter, you should write notice. Then, issuing authority, that is school name, or college is issuing college name. Our school is Vivekananda Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School. So, you should write Vivekananda Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School, Sribenapattur. Then, date of issue or release of the notice. Then, you have to write date. Then, title or subject of the event. What it should be, what is about, what information. That is, for example, this is in the school singing competition or English club inauguration, whatever may be, you should write title or subject of the event. That means what is the information about. Then body, date, time, duration, place, venue. This you should remember. When and where. First, what is the notice about? Then, when and where. The body of the notice, that is date time, when is the inauguration is going to take place, when is the competition is going to take place. Likewise, duration, place or venue. Okay children, when and where. Then authorized signatory, who is issuing, who is giving the notice, name and signature and contact details also. This is the content of the notice. First what you want to write, name of the issuing agency, that is your school name, then date, then title, what is the subject about, then body of the notice that contain date, time, duration, place, venue. That means எங்க எப்பொழுது எதை பற்றி, இதுதான் நோட்டீஸோட content. Then finally you want to write the name and what is your authorized signatory, what is your designation and name, signature. Here one example I have given, you see children, and you have to prepare your own notice. I will send questions to you. Here I have given 2 examples for you. First one, Sharmila is the in charge of the cultural committee of Government Higher Secondary School, Tirutani. She has been asked to notify the students of the schools about the inter-school singing competition. Write a notice with relevant detail. Here, Sharmila, what is about, she is the in charge of the cultural committee. She is studying in Government Higher Secondary School, Tirutani. She has been asked to notify the students of the school about the one inter-school singing competition is there. She wants to inform all the students. So, she has to display one notice on the school notice board. Already I told what are the things. You should remember. Here in this example, they have given, first they have given name of the school, but you should write that notice first. Okay children. First it is in a rectangular box or square box also you can put. Okay children. One box, one border should be put for that. Notice, first you should write notice, N-O-T-I-C. Then school name. Draw a rectangular or square box for preparing notice. First you should write notice. Then inside that box you have to write school name. Here Government Higher Secondary School, Tirutani. Then date. October 30, you should put a comma, then 2019. Then what is the subject about? Here what is the subject, can you say? Yes, inter-school singing competition, that you should write in capital letter. In that topic or subject, you should write in capital letter. Centralized you want to write, then only it will give good look. The school is hosting the inter-school singing competition for classes 6 to 12. Here, body of the notice, that is the, who is the host. Then, for classes 6 to 12 on November 14 at school auditorium. Then, place, venue, where it is going to be performed. All the talented students with gifted voices may appear for the audition to be conducted in the presence of a famous singer on November 5th at 9 am. Here see, what is the event, when it is going to be taken place, and date, place, venue it is given. For further details, for more details, contact the undersigned. Who is the undersigned here? Yes, Sharmila, in charge of the cultural committee. Secretary, cultural in charge. She wants to write her designation. Then in the bracket, you want to mention that here secretary, cultural in charge. Are you clear children? Again I am saying, first you want to write the name of the issuing agency. That is your school name. Then date of issue. Date you should write. Here October 30, 2019 given, date, then title, that is the subject or event. Then body of the notice, that is date, time, duration, place and venue. Shortly we can say when and where it is going to be taken place. Then finally you have to write authorized signatory, that is name and signature and contact details. Okay children, shall we see another example? Here, this is the example for your exam model. You are Nikhil or Nikita, school people leader of GHSS Trichy. Prepare a notice on behalf of your school inviting the grandparents of the students to celebrate World's Elders Day. While you are reading the question itself, you have to understand what is the topic about. Here, World Elders Day in your school auditorium on the 20th of next month. This is the question for your notice writing. You have to imagine you should be Nikhil or Nikita. What is the designation here? School people leader. Then school name. What is the event? World Elders Day. Okay children, first what you want to do? Draw a rectangular box or square box also you can draw. First you want to, above that you have to write notice. Write the word notice. Then inside the box in topic like topic you want to write your school name. Okay. In your question paper what is the school name given, that only you have to use. Okay. Government Higher Secondary School. Then put a comma, then Trichy in capital letter you have to write. Okay. Name of the school or institute. What is in the question paper you have to write. School adna school edana, college adna college edana. Here Government Higher Secondary School Trichy. Then heading or subject. What is the event? Can you say? Yes, World Elders Day. Okay. Then date. The date for when the notice displayed. Okay. 15th November 2020. Then body of the content of the notice. All the students are informed that our school is celebrating World Elders Day on 20th of December at 3:30 p.m. See, all the children are informed what they are going to celebrate. World Elders Day. What is the date? 20th December. Then what is the time? 3:30 p.m. In premises, what is the venue? What is the place? Our school auditorium. This is the main content of the notice. What is the event? When it is going to be conducted, timing and venue, place. Interested students are requested to bring their grandparents for the celebration. This is for their grandparents. So, those who are interested can bring their grandparents for the celebration. Tea and snacks will be provided. Fun activities will also be organized. This is the content of the notice. Then, name and designation of the person issuing the notice. Who is the person here going to issue? Yes, school people leader. Nikhil or Nikhil. Nikita, you have to write Nikhil or Nikita. Then what is the designation? School people leader, or we can write head boy or head girl. Okay children. Again I am revising what is the content of the notice. First you have to draw a rectangle or square box. At the top you have to write notice. N-O-T-I-C in capital letter you have to write. Then school name, name of the school or institution. Then date. Before date you have to mention that that you can date எழுதியதுக்கு அப்புறமும் எழுதலாம், no problem. First you have to decide what is the content, heading or subject or the event. Then date, that you can interchange, no problem. After date also you can write the topic. Here heading or subject, then date, that is when the notice is displayed date. Okay. Then content of the notice. What is the content of the notice? In that content you have to write when, where, the competition is going to conducted or event is going to conducted, time, venue, that and all you have to write. That final sentence you have to write. For further information, detail, contact. Likewise, you can conclude your notice. Content of the notice, then name and designation of the person issuing the notice. Okay, children, are you clear? For 10th standard especially, you have to concentrate this and practice different types of notices. In your book back also some questions are there. You have to practice. I will send. You should write in your notebook these things. Okay, children, thank you.